B's English and Coaching Academy Rahmatpur Larkhano. Trainer Karam Hussain Kalhodo. So learn English with Sir Karam Hussain Kalhodo.
Teaches English grammar, communication skills, spoken English, IELTS, phonetics and phonology. English is more than a language. It is a tool for education, career, and confidence. English with a clear Urdu explanation, easy to understand, so every learner understands fully. English grammar. Strong English begins with the correct grammar. We teach grammar step by step. Simple rules, clear explanations, practical usage, dialogues. No confusion, no memorization, only understanding. Communication skills. Knowing English is not enough. Using English confidently matters. We develop English communication skills for classrooms, offices, and interviews. Speak clearly, listen carefully, respond politely. Spoken English. Our spoken English classes help you speak naturally and fluently. Daily conversation practice, real life situations, confidence building activities. From hesitation to confidence. IELTS preparation. Planning to study or work abroad. IELTS is the key. We offer complete IELTS preparation. Listening, reading, writing, and speaking. British exam strategies. Guided practice. Individual feedback. Phonetics and phonology. Correct pronunciation creates a strong impression. Learn phonetics and phonology. British and American sounds, stress, rhythm, intonation, lin-ups. Speak English the way it should be spoken. So learn correctly, speak confidently, build your future with English.
So what are you waiting for? Join B's English and Coaching Academy, Rahmatpur, Ladkano. Address, contact numbers, and don't forget, trainer is Karam Hussain Kalhodo.